Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Hania and welcome to Hania's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making my favorite sweet, Jalebis. So let's go. First we're going to start off with the sugar syrup. For the sugar syrup you will need 4 ingredients. So first ingredient we have 3 cups of sugar, 1.75 cups of water, a pinch of cinnamon powder, and one teaspoon of lemon juice. First, we're going to turn it to low heat for now. First, we'll put the water. Then we pour the sugar. We have to make sure we dissolve all the sugar. Now we will turn it on high. Now the sugar has dissolved, so now we're going to put a pinch of cinnamon powder. Now we're going to add the lemon juice. Let's stir it again. We're going to put this on low, and while then we're going to work on the jalebis. We have 6 ingredients to make the jalebis. Now for the first thing, we have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 and a quarter cup of water, 2 tablespoons of oil, 4 tablespoons of yogurt, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and some color. You can use any color you would like pink, blue, and any color, but I chose red. We will need a big mixing bowl, and we're going to put the flour in first. So let's pour it in. Next we're going to put the yogurt, and then we're going to put the baking powder. After the baking powder, we will put the oil. After the oil, we'll put our nice red color. Now we're going to mix it all together. While mixing, just keep on putting a little bit of the water. Now we're going to see if it's ready. So I offed it, and what we're going to do to see if it's ready, we're going to take our spoon and just dip it in, and we're gonna just see. And if it drops slowly at the end, that means it's ready. We're gonna cool the syrup down, not too hot, not too cold. So let's leave that, and we're going to go and make the jalebis. It should be slimy and a nice flow to it. We're gonna take the slimy mix and put it into the Ziploc bag. We're going to take the cone and we're going to cut the corner of the bag. Make sure you have an adult with you while you're doing this, so we don't want you to get hurt or anything. Now my jalebis are so good and so ready. Now my 2 brothers over here are gonna taste them. Let's see if they're good. You guys can dig in. How is it? Good? Are you good? Okay. How about I even take a little taste? I'm not gonna take so much. A little piece. That tastes super good. I hope you guys had so much fun cooking. And please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you know when my next video is coming up. Stay safe, Khudafis, and may God bless you.